Tonight, the U.S. Supreme Court has agreed to review a Tennessee law that bans care for transgender minors. Opponents of the law say it's unconstitutional. Supporters say it protects children from an irreversible gender change.
10 News reporter Krista Lucas joins us from the newsroom now with more on this. Krista?
About half of the states, including Kentucky, Arkansas, and Alabama, have banned gender-affirming care. This means if your child needs medical care, for example, medication for hormone therapy, it's illegal to get it in these states. Opponents argue these laws put tens of thousands of people at risk. Last year, Tennessee passed a law that prohibits care for trans minors.
I know of people that have been driving out of state to receive care, trying to go to any of the surrounding states that will give care.
Ray Holloman says gender-affirming care helps minors figure things out before they become adults.
Gender-affirming care under the age 18 is social transition and, stopping puberty, because then you don't have to try to reverse the effects at that point.
The Supreme Court is now stepping in. Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti says they're fighting hard to protect kids from irreversible gender treatments. An attorney from the American Civil Liberties Union says the law puts thousands of minors at risk.
They're losing access to this much needed medical care, and this medical care has allowed their children to flourish, and that's being taken away.
This case is different.
This is the first time that the Supreme Court will take a case that involves constitutional protections that transgender people might have.
Skrmetti says this case will bring clarity on whether the Constitution contains protections for gender identity.
It's unconstitutional because it singles out our clients based on their sex. And our Constitution and our Supreme Court for years have said that laws that discriminate against people based on their sex for a reason that's only because of their sex are unconstitutional.
The ACLU attorney tells me the case will go to the Supreme Court in the fall, with a ruling expected next spring or early summer. Robin, Brittany.
Krista, thank you.